Hey, this is Tim with Expert Power Wash, just getting back from the huge convention, and I have some new things here to show you guys. So in the past, we've had those bypass mounts, downstream bypass FlowPro mounts that were 3D printed plastic. Well, we just got the first batch of aluminum ones in, and these things are pretty nice. Let me show you these new mounts. Let's take a look. It's always nice to come back to a bunch of packages, but happen to be opening some up. And lo and behold, we have these guys. So super excited about these. Stainless steel hardware here. These are aluminum. Take a look at this, the machining, how thick they are. These are super nice. So I'll get these put onto the downstream bypass over there. This is these are stainless steel fittings on here. This is the downstream bypass for turning your downstream injection on and off. We can get into the weeds on these, but I won't on this video. But these are specifically for mounting this system to wherever you're gonna put it on your trailer or skid. So I'll get these all bolted on here and I'll show you what it looks like. Got the one side on there. I'll show you guys. Obviously the other one goes here. I'll put that on in just a second. But the machining of these, I'll show you closer here, how everything's just machined out and the bottom of that fitting just neatly fits into here. And then this part over here is round. So the round part of the ball valve here, this part here, not the ball valve, the actual T fitting. So this is all, you can kind of see how the bracket would hold right in there, and then this part's round. Hopefully that makes more sense showing you like that. But I'll get this other piece on here, but these are really nice. I don't have this snugged down as tight as it'll go, but it looks like it would just seat perfectly in there. A lot better than the old 3D plastic printed ones. Let me get that other one on there and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I have it all assembled. You can see how neatly and how tight that fits on there. Perfectly holds this downstream bypass. This would fit the FlowPros as well. But let's take it and put it over on one of the mini ultimate skids that we have over here. This one is all finished up, getting ready to go out. We could include this as an option if you want this on your ultimate mini build. So right here between the reels, this would bolt and just kind of sit it on there. You could kind of see how that would look. That would be pretty cool. So you could do downstreaming from one of these ultimate mini skids. We could also put it on the side shelf of one of our skids. So if you're interested in some of these, I will put it on the website. These are very limited and they are going to our builds first. So I might have 2 sets of these left after the builds, but yeah, pretty nice high quality bracket system here. All right guys, appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video.